This is a video I gotta apologize to the people who sent me this because this is the second thing they sent me. First one I made the video right away. This one, it took me a while. I apologize because I love it. They wanted to send like a whole house system, but unfortunately our house just isn't. It's too old right now. But this is a SimPure. So previously you may have seen our SimPure Y11C-A video, which is an amazing purifier. If you're looking for something that's fairly cost efficient, it's a great purifier to use. This is the 11. So this is the Y11. You can see all the specs and stuff like that over here. But I mean, I really do love this thing. So how it works is you have, I'm gonna twist it around because it is plugged in right now. So on the back, you have this water thing and it comes off, you put it back down, it closes up. But what makes this one different than the other ones, so the other one is you would press the button, the purified water comes out, and it uses reverse osmosis. It has all the fancy little things and doodads on the inside, where it goes through, you know, the sediment cleaning, and then it goes through the purification, and then it neutralizes the pH balance, which this does as well. This actually does all of that. So when you're drinking the water, you're drinking perfectly neutrally acidic base. I mean, it's a 7, so it's neutral. It's not acidic and it's not base. When you replace the water on the back, once it clicks in, it starts filling up this pitcher right here. And you can see it is filling up the pitcher. So this pitcher is always accessible, fresh, purified water. Now, what's crazy with it is it also has a cooling setting. So, I mean, you have ambient temperature if you just want the ambient temperature. You have, of course, reset, flush. You want to flush it periodically, follow the instructions. Turn it on and off, but the cooling right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to get a cup of water to show you how that works, because it's pretty cool. Handy dandy digital thermometer. So it's telling me that the temperature is at 45. Now, when you do the cooling, it does take a little while because it has to cool the water. The water that you put in here isn't cold, so it's going to have to cool it. But I'm going to go ahead and set my cup here, show you in real time. Cooling on, and let's start. And so as the water comes out of here, it actually drains from here. So this is the purified tank. It's pulling from the back, purifying everything, reverse osmosis, pulling it in here, bringing it up, and then when you fill it, it dumps it in. So we're going to go ahead and stop. And I'm going to switch hands. So we're going to see. So 52, I mean, oh, 50, there we go. So yeah, you can see it starts going up because it has to re-cool the water. But even still, I mean, 52 degrees. That's some good water. But if you don't want cold, sorry. You do ambient. Let me see. 81 degrees. So I just want to show you that. We live in southern Louisiana. Our tap water is 80 degrees because it's so hot here. Putting it in here cools that water down. It's amazing. Highly recommend it. Check out our Amazon storefront because that is where we have the SimPure. I highly recommend. You could use this for sourdough starter if you have well water. You know, that has that egg smell. You can actually put the water through this so it purifies it. But like with our sourdough, we always have our sourdough running, so we use purified water. Perfect, you know, balance. Actually, here's our sourdough growing right here with all of our organic bread. So it's next to the purifier for a reason. Definitely recommend it though. Y911, the one that has the pitcher as well as the cooling feature on it. If you can't splurge for this one, get the Y9 because the Y9 is still great. You just got to use ice. So that's all I got. Check it out. Link for it in the description below, and check out our Amazon storefront for everything that I've shown on the YouTube, as well as everything we use, because this, we're homesteaders. We're not bougie, but it gets used every single day. Enjoy Homestead.